what government else will trust you? Assessing you file anything will trust you, right? So that is nothing but self-assessment. Assessing, you do your assessment yourself, will trust you. If at all we have doubts, we'll do scrutiny of your returns. We'll randomly check your returns and see whether there are any mistakes or not. So that is the concept of self-assessment. It is based on trust factor. Government is telling the assessees, taxpayers, telling that we will trust you. You file, you assess your liability, report it correctly, we'll trust you. Excuse me. And in case we have any doubts, we will take your case for scrutiny and thereafter proceedings will follow. For exchange date, it is very simple. Focus on the date of filing of bill of entry under section 46. Whether it is warehousing bill of entry or home consumption bill of entry, focus on the first bill of entry filed under section 46. Always the focus is on the bill of entry. For rate of duty, if it is direct clearances, it is the date of filing of bill of entry under section 46 for home consumption, or arrival of aircraft, vehicle or vessel, whichever is later, right? So you have to see the date, whichever is later.